Welcome to my channel. Understanding Political Theory, BA, Nature and Significance of Political Theory. Please subscribe, like and share my channel. What is political theory? The most general level political theory is a body of knowledge related to the phenomenon of the state. While theory refers to a systematic knowledge, political refers to matters of public concern. Definitions. According to David Held, political theory is a network of concepts and generalization about political life, involving ideas, assumptions, and statements about the nature, purpose, and key features of government, state, and society, and about the political capabilities of human beings. Andrew Hacker defines it as a combination of principles of good state and good society on the one hand and a disinterested search for knowledge of political and social reality on the other. On the basis of the above definitions, we can conclude that political theory is concerned the study of the phenomena of the state in philosophical as well as empirical terms. It is not only involves explanation, description and prescription regarding the state and political institutions, but also evaluation of their moral philosophical purpose. It is not only concerned with what the state is, but also what it ought to be. Nature of political theory. Generally, political theory is the speculation of a single individual who is attempting to offer us a theoretical explanation of the political reality, that is, the phenomena of the state. It is in fact an attempt by the political theorist to seek the truths as the theorist sees it. Every theory, by its very nature, is an explanation, but upon certain hypotheses, which may or may not be valid and which is always open to criticism. Different political issues have been dominant in political theories in different epochs of its long history. For example, classical political theory was primarily concerned with the search for a perfect political owner or an ideal state. Modern political theory started from the period of the rise and growth of the modern nation states. Now, the basic issues of political theory become liberty of the individual, the rights, equality, justice, sovereignty, etc. Significance. The significance of political theory lies in its understanding and explains the political reality, is and if necessary to change it. It also provides the moral criteria and the basis of the state and is institutions and proposes the alternative political arrangements and practices to suit the moral standards. Thus, the main significance of political theories lies in the fact that it provides a systematic study about socio-political phenomena and makes the people aware of them. It makes the people aware of their rights and duties in the society. But what is important is that it helps us to evolve means to change the society itself. Conclusion: political theory is a never ending dialogue. Speculation on politics will continue because it relates to the life and values by which men live and die. The goal of theory is to enhance our understanding of the social reality and create conditions for good life.